Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167.
In California, Riverside County mountains. High wind warning in effect from 11 a.m. Monday to 3 a.m. PDT Tuesday. West wind 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts 65 to 75 miles per hour expected. In the Riverside County mountains and San Diego County mountains. Strongest winds expected along the coast. From 11 a.m. Monday to 3 a.m. PDT Tuesday. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. The advisory has been updated to high wind warning with expected stronger winds. Use caution if you must drive. Forecast for Imperial County Southwest.
Wind advisory for Riverside County Mountains and San Diego County Mountains has been upgraded to a high wind warning. So, I got part of the alert, not all of it though, but yeah, that's it.